So this is the GoPro footage from the whitewater rafting. It is edited because it was like 45 minutes or more. So this is the first little drop just to test our active listening skills with the safety instructions. So this was the next little drop. It wasn't as high, but it was definitely preparing you for the big 7-meter drop. Captain Jack was our captain, and he pulled us over a side and gave us some safety briefs, and then we were off. I learned to hold my breath for the next one, the big one. So you'll see in the left corner the second boat going over that waterfall. So it's 2 waterfalls in one. So there's one. And then the second one coming. And then we were heading into the waterfall. This was just so we could get wet. It was pretty fun.
Whoa! Cold, 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 cold. Holy shit.
Here he was yelling back paddle hard, and we didn't back paddle hard enough, and we ran into the other boat that was parked. But it was like 4 girls and 1 guy, and then the captain.
Well, we're not getting anywhere now.
The other boat had like mainly all guys and then 1 girl.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
As you can see, they're right there. So this is the famous 7-meter drop. This waterfall is named after Chief Tutia because he was buried at this site. For us ladies in the front, we had to get in the brace position too for this waterfall, which made it even scarier. There is a 50-50 chance of falling out of the boat or staying in the boat, so we were lucky enough to stay in the boat. No screaming because I held my breath for this one. We got completely submerged, but we all stayed in the boat. We didn't fall out, so that was good.
Oh shit! Oh, that was scary.
While we were resting, someone dropped their paddle.
Oh my god!
So there was a challenge for this guy. We got him to sit in the front of the boat while we went over the little waterfall.
Yeah!
This poor guy was asked to do all the wild things. He got completely submerged. That was cool.
Woo! brain freeze.
So I didn't actually see this, I saw this when I was going back for editing. I don't know if that was meant to happen. So here we got to splash other team and they splashed us. It was pretty fun. And then the captain of the other boat grabbed my bloody paddle. And I was like, oh, no mate, no. And here we got to stand up while going over this little waterfall. This was so cool. Or rapids or whatever they're called. So my dumbass in this next section didn't see the other boat coming. I should have stayed in the boat, but it didn't. And they were coming in fast. So as you can see, yep. And then I got slammed into the wall. And then we had to carry the damn raft up the stairs in the truck. That was hard. They ended up helping in the end.
I can't do it.
I really couldn't do it.
I'm not strong enough.
This was mainly because my arms were so dead from paddling hard. To be honest, I'm a weakling anyway. But we finished up. That was good. Gave Captain Jack a good handshake.
I hope so.
And then that was it.